So this time of the year our local suppliers usually have lots of zucchini, and because we only buy vegetables that are in season, I have to come up with different methods to conserve our food for the winter. So I already did a video about fermenting pickles, you will find that in the corner. This time I want to show you my favorite method to deal with lots of zucchini, and that is drying. So what you're gonna need is a dehydrator. That's definitely an investment that's worth it. I use mine extensively. And you're gonna need some salt, some vinegar, some oil, and that's it. So it's a very simple method, but I like the taste of it. And after pasteurizing, you can store those glasses for years, I'm sure. So I hope this is gonna be helpful to you. Please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's go.